What's up everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV and today we're unboxing the new iPhone XR and comparing it to the iPhone XS. Let's get started. Alright, so here is the iPhone XR. I still want to say XR, but this is the XR and you can see the new XR wallpaper. This is the yellow version and you can see on the sides here, the iPhone branding is in that yellow or sort of gold color. And the yellow does look a little bit gold on the edges, but you'll see that in the video. Bottom, we just have the Apple logo. On the other side, same thing, just the Apple logo there. All right, on the back, as usual, you just have the specifications of this particular device. I went with the 64 gigabyte model in yellow. So let's peel this back here. And open up the box. There it is. All right, so just like the other iPhones, you're greeted with the paperwork here. So you're going to get your quick start guides, your SIM ejection tool, your Apple stickers, all of that fun stuff. Underneath is the iPhone itself, and this looks really nice. And there's that yellow on the back. Looks nice. We'll take a quick look at that in a bit. Inside, you still get the standard charger. You're not getting any fast charge. You have the Apple EarPods here. No wireless, unfortunately. And the standard lightning cable. And that's pretty much it for what's in the box. So let's peel back. Now the iPhone XR is Apple's budget iPhone, and with that, there's a few things to consider. Coming in with a 6.1 inch display, it's going to be larger than the 5.7 inch iPhone XS, but it's going to be smaller than the 6.5 inch XS Max. The display on the XR is also using what Apple calls a liquid retina LCD display. Basically, that means it's not going to be as good as the Super Retina display on the XS or XS Max models, but it really isn't that bad from what I can see. The metal surrounding the phone is made of a colored aluminum rather than the stainless steel found on the XS models. You'll also notice for this yellow iPhone that the metal takes on more of a gold color. On the back, you have the all-glass finish in yellow with silver iPhone and Apple logos. And the rear-facing camera is a single 12 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization and quad LED flash. Now, although this isn't as good as the XS model's dual cameras, you will still be able to take portrait mode photos using the natural, studio, or contour lighting effects. The front-facing 7 megapixel camera also includes portrait mode with all 6 effects including the stage lighting and stage mono lighting. Setup is a breeze as usual, just follow the on-screen instructions to enter your Wi-Fi information, set up Face ID, a passcode, and to learn a little bit more about your new iPhone. Lastly, we'll swipe up and there you have it, the iPhone XR. Now, based on the color you purchased, the wallpaper is going to match. You can change it in the still section of the wallpaper settings, which includes all of the iPhone XR wallpapers. In terms of the display, it's really tough at first glance to see a big difference in the quality over the XS models. But if you look close enough, the colors do pop a little bit more on the XS. But personally, I don't think the XR display is going to disappoint the average consumer. One feature that has been removed is the 3D touch, so you won't be able to access quick options when pressing on apps. For the most part, Apple has been able to work around this with a long hold. Basically, if you hold your finger over your photos, it's going to activate the live effect. Long holding on control center applications will bring up the extra options. But apps in general on your home screen, the long hold will only allow you to delete the app. It's not the biggest deal breaker, but it's something to consider. Now, the iPhone XR starts at $749 US for the 64 gigabyte model, and it goes up based on the memory you choose. It comes in blue, white, black, coral, product red, and yellow. So if you're looking to grab the latest iPhone but you don't want to spend $1,000, then the XR is a good fit. Just make sure you buy a case and or Apple Care, because if you break the glass on these phones, it's going to cost almost as much as a new phone to fix it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. As always, there's a link in the description to the full playlist of iPhone videos so you can get the most out of your iPhone. Also, feel free to leave a comment or a question. I try to respond to every comment that comes my way. See you in the next one.